right, guys, we are back at it with another video of the Gen 1 Ford Raptor. It's currently like a little bit before 7 a.m. The Firestone in my neighborhood opens up at 7. I do not have an appointment, so we are trying to get in there and get a tire rotation as well as a wheel alignment for the truck. It's due for both of them. I try to get the tires rotated every 5,000 miles, so we're due on that. So we're going to go ahead and get that done. And yeah, just like a little bit of a maintenance day running around with the Raptor. Just wanted to get some footage for you guys, a video, and we're gonna go from there. So let's get moving. And look, okay, I know I'm not my super energetic, full of energy self. I'm tired. I just woke up, so I know I sound like I'm dead. Just bear with me while we get through the videos. Bear with me. I'm gonna wake up. I just gotta get moving. So let's get to it. And really quick, I don't know if anybody else does this. It's just like a thing that I do. And I know if you have like a push-to-start vehicle, this probably doesn't apply to you. But if you have a vehicle where you have to turn a key to start it, I feel like if you go ahead and just turn the key all in one motion and start the truck, I just don't do it like that. Like I kind of turn everything on, like accessories. I let the whole, truck do its thing, everything start up, and kind of get like situated, and then I go ahead and turn it over. 96,713 miles exactly, actually, on the Raptor. Tell me in the comments if any of you other guys do that. I don't know why I started doing that or what the purpose is, but like I don't want to just like completely, when the truck is off, go ahead and just fire it up. I kind of let the truck like power through its cycle and turn on the battery. I don't know why I do that. I do it though. But anyways, let's get moving. We gotta get going. Just a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm also currently running an 87 octane tune on the truck, but I do have the 5-star tune here, and I'm thinking about going back to a 93 performance tune. The 93 tune is actually what I had on the truck originally when I got it. The previous owner had that on there, and it definitely does change the whole attitude and like performance of the truck. It really wakes it up and it's way more responsive. So yeah, I don't know, I might switch back to the 93 in a tank or two here. I'll switch it over to the 93 and then see how she reacts, because I've literally I had it in the very beginning, and then I switched it over to 87 shortly after, and I've been running 87 ever since on that tune. So, but that 93 tune is a completely different beast of a truck. So if you guys have these trucks and you're thinking about getting it tuned and getting an exhaust and an intake, get that 5-star performance tune, the 93 octane. It's like a new vehicle. It is. It truly is. Gonna have our fingers crossed here and hope that I don't have a huge wait or anything. All right, so we just pulled up. It looks pretty dead, but who knows? Maybe they have appointments scheduled and they're gonna tell me I got a long wait time. But I'm hoping that is not the case. Let's get in there and see what they tell us. So I go in there, it's dead, nobody's in there. Tell the guy what I'm trying to do. And he tells me that they actually just got a new alignment machine installed, and they need to wait 24 hours or something for the concrete to fully set or something before they could drive a vehicle on top of, I don't know. Just with me though, I know it's always something. I wake up early, I'm like, it's gonna be smooth sailing. I'll get there, I'll get in, I'll get out. And yeah, that's not happening. So I called up another Firestone, which is a little further from my house, and I spoke to a gentleman on the phone and told him what I'm trying to do, and he said, yeah, you can go ahead and bring it on in. If you get here soon, I could probably squeeze you in, no problem. So we're gonna get there right now, about 15 minutes away, and we're gonna hope that he can get me in and get me out with these tires rotated and this alignment done. So this is try number 2. Let's see how this goes. All right, so we're at the second Firestone. They're saying that they're going to be able to squeeze me in, so I'm waiting patiently now. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. And yeah, they will get this done, and this baby will be brand new. Let's go. All right. So that got done. Took them about 45 minutes, I want to say it was. So that wasn't too bad. It's kind of what I expected. But the alignment is done. She's all dialed in. And we are on the way back home now. So alignment, tires rotated, and she's good to go for a while. Yeah, it's pretty good. If you guys have those Firestones by you, I forgot what he said the price is, but if you could pay a flat price and you have unlimited tire rotations. So I got the yearly one, so mine are good until December. I can get as many, or I'm sorry, not unlimited tire rotations. It's unlimited wheel alignments. I apologize. Unlimited wheel alignments if you pay a certain flat price, and then there's ones that it's unlimited for a year, which is the one I got. So mine is actually good until, I think he said December 1st. I can get wheel alignments for free, as many as I need. So we got that done, and we are on the way back home. Just wanted to do a quick video, get you guys up to date on what's going on with the truck. She is still listed for sale. If there is anyone interested out there, I still got the links posted. So go ahead and check it out. If you want to email me about it, any more information, pictures, videos, just let me know. I can give you that information. And yeah, that'll be it. As always, appreciate you guys checking out the video. And we will see you on the next one. Peace!